this is Jackie, your NerdEcrafter, and for today's Scrawlrbox unboxing, the theme is Nature's Eye. Now, not quite sure what went through my mind, but the first thing that I really wanted to do was an eye with nature reflected inside it, and all the cliche kind of stuff, and I really wanted to do that, but since my skill level doesn't permit me to do that, I decided to go with a kind of tribal slash abstract slash symbolic kind of art piece, because we all gotta start somewhere. Now, I integrated as many eyes as I could in the small crevices here and there. So I really like this drawing. I just wish I could add a little more details, because as you saw in the supplies, there were pretty much pencils with different, what are they called? Hardnesses, and those are my biggest weaknesses when it comes to material. The box had also come with some ballpoint pens, as you can see, and I think these are called felt tips. I could be completely off, but these are, again, materials I've never worked with and I have no idea how to use in a proper technical way. So naturally, the noob in me is like, you need to fill up some color. You gotta put some color, girl. So I decided to put some color where the soil is, kind of to highlight the eyes. And just to be clear, I did work from reference pictures because, again, when you're starting out, it's always good to get inspiration from artists that you like or kind of mimic the idea of where you want to go. So as a noob, and I am claiming that I am a noob, so don't think that I'm claiming I'm an artist in any way or form. So yes, I'm a complete noob when it comes to drawing, so references are a definite must. The meaning behind this drawing is pretty open to interpretation, but when I think about it, I really have this idea of the Pocahontas song, The Colors of the Wind, that everything has a spirit and it can watch at the same time. So the idea of the eyes, a little bit of everywhere, and also kind of the red is symbolic of nature watching us and hurting at the same time. So I know this is a little dark, but I did want to do something that was a little symbolic of how nature is being treated or slash mistreated, so it depends on the perspective, but also that the eyes are there and that it's watchful of not just us, but of also itself. So again, this is like Pocahontas gone wrong. But again, it's open to interpretation. So it's really up to what you see and what you can take out of this. Some of the white parts in this place were a little too white for me, so I decided to kind of smudge the lead around. And I also wanted there to be a kind of movement near the tree because I have some of the leaves falling out. So I dipped my finger in the pencil shavings and I really like this part. I don't know, I had a lot of fun just kind of dipping my finger in there and making like a swervy type motion. So if you see, hang on, let's bring it down. If you see, there's this kind of like movement going on. And I really had fun doing this part. And I don't know what prompted me to do that. I felt like doing it and I was really in the moment while I was doing this drawing. I'm really excited for the sketchbook I'm actually drawing in because my friend and I, we challenged each other to finish it by the end of March. So we're really looking forward to do a kind of sketchbook tour to show you guys what we did. So it's going to be a good challenge because we need to draw more. Well, she draws really well, but I need to draw more, so I need to practice. I've already filled in a couple of pages and I really want to show you guys what I have in there. So, with that said, if you guys want more information on Scrawlrbox, I will leave the information in the description box below. You can check them out. They're a really good company. The people there are really sweet. I get no benefits whatsoever. Until then, I will see you guys next time.